Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on the top 3 ways to use LinkedIn ads in your company. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. The top 3 ways to use LinkedIn ads in your company. LinkedIn ads are extremely useful for boosting your brand and driving traffic to your business profile. LinkedIn ads can also help with your SEO, increase leads, and find new customers. If you're not using LinkedIn ads, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to boost your revenue, increase your brand, and drive new traffic. With the right strategy, they can also help with SEO, increase leads, and find new customers. LinkedIn ads are an excellent way to increase your revenue. In a lead generation strategy, your goal is to get potential customers to visit your profile and take a closer look at your business. In a sales strategy, your goal is to have more people come to your profile to buy your product or service. In a sales strategy, you want to create various stages that lead people to buy your product. You can use the funnel view to see which steps people take to complete the sale. If you're not using them yet, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get your name out there and increase your revenue. With the right strategy, they can also help with SEO, increase leads, and find new customers. Whether you're looking to boost brand awareness, drive new leads, or increase revenue, LinkedIn ads can help you improve your business. And for staying this long, we encourage our audience to check out clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.